Hi guys, welcome to the fifth tutorial in Java for beginners, and in here we're going to look at the for loop. Okay, so we have this condition, a for loop, right? And we say the integer I is equal to 30. So we assign 30 to I. We're saying that I is less than 40, which it is, and we're going to increment it every time it goes through the loop. So we 30, and we print 30. Then it goes through the loop, add 1, 31 is less than 40, and we'll print. Okay, so we have that. Now I've already run, but we'll run it again. Now, it takes a bit of time, and there we go. We're saying there's 30 to 39, okay? So you can see that's the standard for loop. We can increment it, we can actually decrement it here as well. And what I've done here is I put in plus two quotations here, and the value will print out. So love Java 30, 31 to 39. Alright, so again, you assign the value, you've given the condition, and then you've incremented, and then you're going to output the value and plus whatever text you're putting in here. Yeah, you like, you can load C# for all I know, you can load PHP, but whatever you like, put it in there. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next one. See you, bye bye.